The snow fell harder, but her heart grew warmer. Lin Yang, who had always been cold and withdrawn, began to open up, little by little. All because of one smile from Ying. It wasn't just about a billiards match, but about two people finding each other in silence. Time seemed to stop when their eyes met. Unfortunately, when they returned to the apartment, Lin Yang accidentally discovered that Jingguo was the younger sister of her archenemy from the junior billiards competition.
When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken.